everyone, so we're doing the red hair goodbye, see you later, hello blonde. So the first part of this, as you can see, the hair's really vibrant red and it hasn't been washed many times because it wasn't dyed that long ago, so this is like a really hard one to tackle. But you're going to start off with a colour remover, and you can use any colour remover from any shop, and anywhere that sells hair dye will usually sell colour remover. Definitely if you've got a BBLONDE bleach, I've got a cat behind me, definitely if you've got a BBLONDE bleach, they sell that there, you'll definitely have a colour remover without fail. You can buy it online, Amazon, eBay, anywhere you want, right? They will sell colour remover. But most superstores, drugstores, things like that will sell them. So I started with this, as you see, and then I was actually just putting it on my hands and massaging it into the hair, because with as good as a brush is, it's kind of more time consuming and I just want to really get this on, so I was like rubbing it in my hands and then mashing up. Every video I have, I can't say a word properly, I was massaging it into the hair. So this is the first step really, and you can see the colour changing kind of like straight away. But I left it on for an hour. I think that's important to follow the instructions of the box that you get. This one says an hour, we've done an hour. And yeah, it turned out okay. It's just like weird brown, gingery. It's got like a hint of ginger in it, but it's more brown than anything else, which is quite simple. And then this is where you add your BBLONDE bleach. I always use a paddle brush with this. I end up always massage it as well though. I paddle brush it on, and then I like massage it in after, just making sure it's properly in. This is so important. Like, you do not want to not get bleach on properly. You just don't want to do that. But I don't do the roots first, unless they're the same colour as the rest of the hair. But because it's not, if your hair's all virgin, then it's all the same. But because this is virgin roots, as you see, the rest of her hair's not. So if I then go and dye her roots first, or at the same time, they're going to come out a completely different level of blonde. That's not where I want to go. But I'm going to continue with this, put it all over, and then let's see the results. Watch the stages as it goes through. I had left this on for no longer than 45 minutes because she already had an hour of that hair dye on. So we then washed it off. I didn't wait until it went to white because after 45 minutes it was still a bit gingery. With my own hair, I did wait a lot longer and just let it go. So my advice would be, if you really want that white colour, is to either wait just slightly longer, or I would actually do a deep conditioning mask and then go again with another bleach. But I can't advise you to do it on the same day as much as you might want to. Of course you can go ahead and do it. If your hair is in immaculate condition and it's not falling apart and it's really healthy and feels great even after you've bleached it, then sure, why not? I've done it. Like, my hair's not in the best condition, but it's blonde and it's where I want it to be. But with this hair here, I'm doing a dark blonde, and then I'm going to be highlighting it. But the dark blonde looks really nice. As long as it's in the blonde category, I'm really happy to go from red to blonde in one day. If your hair's been through quite the wars like my mother's, then I honestly would deep mask it, or just do what we're doing with the medium blonde, then gradually build your way up. At least you're in the blonde category. So I've covered the whole thing, finally. Here is our finished results. I absolutely love this colour. I didn't curl it until later on, so I was like, we'll wait till later on. I'll come around, I'll curl it, and then I'll do like a picture of it. Because it was just all wet and she just wanted to go home. She's like, I've had enough now. So yeah, it's lovely. I absolutely love it. So we have reached our blonde from red, and I'll be next with highlighting and simple highlights from home.